welcome back to Digital Design Studio. My name is Christy and today we're going to work on our second St. Patrick's Day design. Let's go get our design on. Hey everyone, welcome back. And we're going to start with our blank canvas, 2000 by 2000. This design is going to be pretty quick, short and sweet. We're going to use just 3 design elements in here. Our background, a clover with some glitter texture, and then our text. So let's go ahead and get our clover out here. And I'm going to use the Lucky Clover. And then we'll go get our background. And that's under the design category here. And we're just going to use the watercolor labels. And I really like this kind of a lighter one. I'll just bring that out a little bit. And for these watercolor labels, you'll see that it doesn't have a color change. It has a tint color, which I kind of like. So I'm going to use this medium green. It kind of looks like a mint green. And then I'm going to push that to the back by moving that layer down. And then to add our glitter texture to this Lucky Clover, we're going to go over here to the textures, go to glitter, and then we'll go ahead and select the green one. And again, it always does that fade, remember? So you have to decrease the fade to make it really pop. And then you can kind of play with where these little sparkles show up at by just clicking it and dragging it around a little bit. Or you can do it by the size, by playing with the size of the glitter, which that looks fine to me. So I'll go ahead and apply that. Now we just need our text. And so for this design, I'll do 2 text boxes, if I can talk. So pinch, okay, and then another text box, and we'll add proof. Now it's just a matter of playing with the layout a little bit here. So I like to, when I have things layered, I always like to put like an outline on the outside of it to help each element kind of stand out on its own. So that's what I'll do now. I have the clover selected and I'll just go over here to the shadow and outline. And I'm going to add a white outline, not a very thick one, just something to give a little definition to it. And I'm going to do the same to my text just because it overlaps the clover right here. I think it stands out fine against this background, but I really want it to pop off of that clover too. So again, over here to the shadow and outline, select white, and I'll just, again, just bring it down to where I think it's, good enough, but not causing, I guess, a distraction. And there you have it. That is it, folks. That was so simple and so quick. I'll remove that background, unlocking it, selecting the white, and then just hitting delete. And there it is. Our second St. Patrick's Day design. Well, I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. I'm really glad that you stopped by. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.